Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talk about Moment 1 and how things are not equal, meaning some of you have some features that others don't, and a lot of the features announced or that they were mentioning are still not available for a lot of people out there. So slowly we're getting stuff. So for example, we talked about the File Explorer tabs, which is now available and should be available for pretty much everybody. But one thing that I just noticed is the new search box on the bottom left of Windows 11 22H2. So this is an interesting one, and it is the new way to kind of attract you to the search. Apparently the way that they're actually changed it and the way that they have it right now is because they find that people don't use search enough, and that they want to make sure that people know that it exists. I'm a big user of the search functionality. A lot of people might wonder, well, why do you use it a lot? Well, every software I use, I search for. I don't even bother anymore going to the start menu or having them in specific areas or an icon. I just type whatever I'm searching for and go for the app, and that's it. So, in fact, I am a big user of search. Not that much for searching for the web and stuff like that, but almost everything that I'm looking for, I search. Even settings. You're wondering, oh, so what's the settings for the network? Well, you just type the settings, and it's going to bring you so you can see the network connections. You can go into the settings app, and it pretty much brings you most of the time things that you need for those searches. So I don't know. Will people change their habits? And that's the thing here, is that over years I've never seen people use search much. It never seemed to be a functionality that people really enjoyed. Most of them had their icons in the taskbar. That is a nice way to do it. I try to keep my desktop clean, so I hide the icons, but some people like to have rows of icons on their desktop and have it there. You could use the start menu and pin them here, but I know a lot of people are kind of not that much pleased with new start menu and wish there would be a way to have it a little more Windows 10 style or whatever. Yeah, I think there should be more options definitely to manage and customize the start menu, definitely. But these are part of Moment 1. So the new search box, the tabs in the File Explorer, things like that. Eventually, when you right-click on the taskbar, you should see Task Manager also as a second choice. So this apparently is coming with Moment 1. I still don't have it here, so I still go on the Start button and right-click on it when I want to have the Task Manager. But these are a few of the things that are available right now that slowly are creeping into Windows 11 22H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.